All right, so your week 1 assessment is on Photoshop Basics, and it is a quiz. That means that you need to read the readings, watch the videos, watch the live sessions, and then take the quiz. This quiz is not timed, and there are 20 questions. So if you are unsure of an answer to a question, feel free to do some outside research. I do not mind if you Google to find it. Be careful to read all of the questions and also to discourage cheating. Some questions will seem like questions that another student had, but the values will be different. So again, go back, open up the readings and videos in another tab and make sure that, you have gone over everything. Take your time. Don't just hurry through the quiz. It is due in 2 weeks, and these are those due dates I was talking about, due July 13th. That means it will close out on July 13th. The same with the assignment. It's due Saturday, but it's only available July 8th through July 20th. So it's open for 2 weeks. Same with the discussion. Please make sure that you are aware it's due July 10th, which is Wednesday, and it's open through July 20th as well. I know it's down here somewhere. It should be down here. So again, if you have any questions this week, please feel free to reach out. You can text, you can email me. Make sure that you are taking that pre-learning assessment, responding to Sean's email, so that way you can get your Adobe program set up. If you do not hear back from Sean by tomorrow or Wednesday, please reach out to me. And again, if you have any extra questions, you can come to the multi-session tomorrow. And thank you so much for coming today. I really hope that you enjoyed this class. Please, please, if you run into any questions, any trouble, just reach out to me. I am here to help you. All right.